Hey everybody, welcome back everyone to another video here on Justin Garden. So today guys, we're going to open up another 2017 Donruss Racing Hobby Box, Part 8 for the Jimmie Johnson autograph. Now we don't have to worry about finding a Jimmie Johnson relic anymore because we found it. If you want to see it, make sure you guys go back and watch Part 7 because that's where we found it. So again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So we're going to get started. So go ahead and put an X on that. Then, so without further ado, guys, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, there we go. Now we're all good. The box didn't want to open for me. Packaging did not want to do what it needed to do, so now only thing we need to find is a Jimmie Johnson autograph, and then if we find it, we are good to go. So again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'd love for you all to come join us for more videos. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and get started with Part 8 on this video. So let's go ahead and get started with Part 8. Save the autographs and stuff for last. Kevin Harvick. Speed. Kevin Harvick Speed. Not numbered. Not numbered or anything. Nice one. Got a top tier, Austin Dillon. Also, since we're talking about, congratulations to Austin Dillon for having their first child. Congratulations to Austin Dillon for being a new dad. After dealing with that Martinsville race and stuff, congratulations to Austin Dillon. So, like, I want to send my congrats to the Austin Dillon and the Dillon family and all of them. So I want to send my congrats to them. So like I say, congratulations to Austin Dillon. And okay, we have our autograph, but we're gonna just put that right there for last. What's up with them being on the first row? Because usually they're not on the first row at all. It's probably the way the box was done or something like that. So anyway, we're going to rush through these. And we'll figure out who our autograph and stuff will be in a little. Joey Logano. Joey Logano green. 185 out of 199. Joey Logano green. That's a different Joey Logano green. We've been mostly having his Race Kings, but get something different. Something different. 185 out of 199. Joey Logano green. Only thing we just need to find now is just a Jimmie Johnson autograph, and then we are complete with the box. But we just have to find a Jimmie Johnson autograph. Race Kings. Kyle Busch, Race Kings, not numbered. We pulled some low number cards and stuff back in Part 7. If you haven't seen it, make sure you guys go back and watch Part 7. If you haven't. We pulled some good cards out of Part 7. Some low numbers and stuff like that back in Part 7. Make sure you guys go back and watch Part 7. Yeah, just make sure you all go back and watch Part 7. David Ragan. Back to the 84 design. First time we pulled David Ragan. First time we pulled him. Got our first Jimmy card in this one. Look like a Casey King. Yeah, we got a Casey King Gold. 476 out of 499. Casey King Gold. 476 out of 499. Casey King Gold. That's a nice one. Put that right there to get sleeved up. Put that there in the pile to get sleeved up. See what we get here. Race Kings. Clint Boyer. I think that's the first time we've seen a Clint Boyer Race Kings. That's actually kind of funny right there. Not numbered, but still kind of funny. Really, really funny. And more bases. Okay, that one's thick. Save that one for last. Now, remember I said from part 7 that my dog told me to pick this box? I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys. My dog actually, what happened was I set it on the floor, and my dog told, and I told you my dog told me to pick this one. She actually barked at me, and she told me to bark. Got a Danica Patrick cracked ice. Speed cracked ice, Danica Patrick. 431 out of 999. Danica Patrick cracked ice. 431 out of 999. Terry Labonte. That's a nice Terry Labonte back to the 84 design. That's my first time seeing this one. Couldn't even remember who was on the checklist or what, but that's a nice Terry Labonte. Back to the 84 design. Jimmy, we have you backwards. Call to the Hall. Call to the Hall. Jack Ingram. I think that's how you spell his name. Won 317 races in the NASCAR events back in 1970, but 2 wins at Daytona in 1975. Okay. Ryan Newman blue. And this one is numbered 44 out of 299. Ryan Newman Race Kings blue. 44 out of 299, Ryan Newman. And more base. Oh, I forgot I had this stack there. So we'll go ahead and get this one going. Makes it a lot easier for us. Brad Keselowski. Back to the 84 design, gold. And this one is numbered 439 out of 499. 439 out of 499. Okay, 439 out of 499. There we go, gold. Back to the 84 design. Brad Keselowski. And more of those. So I hope you guys will go back and watch part 7. And make sure you guys go back and watch part 8. Because we pulled some really good ones out of there. So make sure you all go back and watch those. So we're going to do a double stack here to get this done faster. So go ahead and get our next stack going. So we'll go ahead and get our next stack going. Todd Gillen, rookie. We already done pull that one. Kirk Bush, back to the 84 design, not numbered. Kirk Bush. Mark Martin. Oh, wow. This one's numbered. Mark Martin. That is a beautiful one. Cracked ice, Mark Martin. Not sure if you guys can see the numbers, but it's 585 out of 999. Mark Martin. 585 out of 999. Not sure if you guys will be able to see the numbers or not, but it's 585 out of 999. Mark Martin. Beautiful card. Tony Stewart, Smoke. Not numbered. That's a really nice Tony Stewart right there. And more bases. Alright, let's do a Rick the Mole right there, like we did before, to get these done. I want to try to keep this video under as much as we can because, well, it's getting late here on the East Coast. Plus, it's getting a little late here on the East Coast. By the time I'm recording this video, it's about 11:30. Okay, yep, that one's thick. By the time I'm recording this video, it's late, so I'm going to do a double stacker right here. Okay, this is my first time doing a double stacker. Wish me luck. I'm going to need all the luck right now. See this right here? This is my first time doing this. Wish me luck. Come on, stay there. Alright, there we go. Had to fix some stuff. Race Kings, Casey King. And this one's gold, numbered. 399 out of 499. That's kind of weird for a 1 right there. 399 out of 499. That's not a 499, guys. If it was, we would have the last one. But it's 399 out of 499. Casey Kane. Gold. This is actually kind of funny. We're pulling some weird number cards tonight. Some weird number ones tonight. Matt Kenseth. We pulled this one last time. Matt Kenseth not numbered. I think that's Ernie Irvan. Yeah, that is Ernie Irvan. In green, it's low. And this is a low number. 70 out of 199. Ernie Irvan. Back to the 84 design. 70 out of 199. Ernie Irvan. Wow. Can you remember the last time he raced? It's been a long time. It's been a very, very, very long time since he raced. Pole position, Joey Logano, red. 609 out of 999, cracked ice, Joey Logano, red. That's a nice Joey Logano red right there. Pole position. That's a nice one. Matt Kenseth. Race Kings, not numbered. That's a nice Matt Kenseth one right there. Whoever did these kind of designs, they did a good job on these. I got to give them credit. Whoever did these did a really good job with those. I'm actually kind of impressed with them. Kirk Busch, the Outlaw. That's their second one that we have pulled of the Outlaw. But we pulled one, I think, yeah, we pulled one out of blue. This is just a normal one. Very nice. Okay, we only got one stack left. We got one stack left. So we're going to do a quick rip here like we did the last time. I'm going to have to pretty soon have to get a new bag because these are full of packs right here. So full of packs. Oh boy, Chase Elliott. Some Chase Elliott fan might go nuts on this one. 304 out of 999. That kind of reminds me with that 304 number. That's a nice Chase Elliott cracked ice. 304 out of 999. Cracked ice Chase Elliott. That's a nice one right there. Chase Elliott. Jimmy Johnson Race Kings not numbered. That's a nice Jimmy right there. And more of those. So we're going to do a quick rip right here so we can... So let's just do a quick rip right here like we've been doing. Let's do a quick rip like we have did before to make this faster I get done with this, the better, because it's getting late here on the East Coast. It's almost getting ready to hit midnight. I at least want to try to get some sleep, because the reason is I'm up because I have to wait a little bit before I can take my medication, so that's why I'm up right now a little bit, because I was a little late taking my medication and stuff. I usually don't go to bed till sometime around midnight, but I was late taking my medication. So we'll save our 2 thick packs, which these right here, we will open these last for you all. Okay, thick crap again. Wish me luck again. Let me get this organized here for a second. Now, let's go ahead and finish this up. Try not to miss any as much as I can. Eric Almirola. Back to the 84 design. Not numbered. First time we've seen Eric Almirola. Pulled an Eric Almirola. It's a nice one. Because, like, to me, guys, if you want to go back and watch a video, you guys would have to go back and watch part 1 and part 2 of the ones like these here, the normal bases. Austin Dillon. Oh, wow. 24 out of 99. Press proof, Austin Dillon. Like I say, congratulations being a dad. Very nice, Austin Dillon. 24 out of 99. That's a nice one right there, Austin Dillon. 24 out of 99. Austin Dillon. That's a low number. Nice one there. Making sure I don't miss any. William Byron. First time we pulled William Byron back to the 84 design. First time we pulled a William Byron. First time we pulled an Eric Almirola. So we're pulling up some different ones for the first time. Okay, what's this? Alex Bowman, blue. 196 out of 299. Yeah, I had to make well sure. 196 out of 299. Alex Bowman, blue. 196 out of 299. Just get through the rest of these bases. Eric Jones. Rated rookie. Not numbered. That's first time seeing Eric Jones too. First time. First time we're pulling some cards for the first time that we have never seen before. Okay. Alright, so now we have these two thick ones. We don't have to worry about a Jimmy Johnson thick one right now. The only thing we just need to worry about is a Jimmy Johnson autograph. But the way I see that right there, I don't think that's going to be a Jimmy Johnson auto. Man, that was a little hard to get open. There we go. Last pack. These are our last packs right here. Thank you all so much for enjoying the video with us. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love for y'all to come join us for more content, more videos. That's a nice call average right there. Okay, we'll save our relics there for last. And we'll figure out who else we got here. Pulp Fish and Jimmy Johnson. That's a nice Jimmy Johnson right there. And Brennan Gaughan is last. Okay. Let's see who this one is first. Carl Edwards. It's a Hendrick Motorsports driver. Dale Earnhardt Jr. That's a nice Dale Earnhardt Jr. relic. And I've got a nice Carl Edwards cut to the chase. Carl Edwards, 2016 when he won at Texas. Believe that was the last time that was the last time he went to Victory Lane. Not numbered. Got a Dale Earnhardt Jr. rubber relics. That's a nice Dale Earnhardt Jr. rubber relics. Dale Earnhardt Jr. Okay, Jimmy Johnson. Nice Pulp Fish and Jimmy Johnson. Team Penske. Joey Logano. That's a nice Jimmy Johnson right there. Pulp Fishing. Jimmy Johnson. That's a nice Jimmy right there. Joey Logano. That's our second Joey Logano we have pulled. Make sure you guys go back and watch part 7. You'll know why. Okay, we got our auto now. We have a great biffle behind there. We have a Danica Patrick right beside here. Okay, it's a BK driver. Maybe we could just throw this one down the toilet. Probably not. We'll see who it is in a second. Got Matty D. Matty D Signature Series. Matty D. Matty Dimito. Matty D right here. Signature Series. That's a nice Matty D right there. Signatures right there. That's a nice Matty D right there. Get that thing sleeved up. Alright, so. Well, we did not pull a Jimmy Johnson autograph. We did already get our relics, so we have to get an autograph. So, put that right there with that box pile and just have to keep on going until we do. Got a Matty D autograph. Sticker auto, not numbered or anything, but nice autograph right there. So, that means now we're going to have to continue, I guess, with the autograph and relic hunting. So, we don't have to worry about the relics no more. Just got to find an autograph. But we got 2 more chances again, so anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Love for y'all to come join us for more videos. I'm not even 100% sure what my next video is probably going to be. Probably it's going to be part 9 of the Racing Hobby Box, or it's going to be a NASCAR Heat 4 Career Mode, or it's going to be a DQ Part 2, because I got that all finished. It's ready. It's almost done edited, so it's probably going to be one of those. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe out there. And have a great rest of your night, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your evening, everybody.